Here we are in section 4-2, exercises numbers 7 through 14. Number 7, we got to find the following. The price is $430.50 and the tax rate, ooh, that is some luxury tax right there. 11%. Oh my word. Okay, so let's do it. We're going to take 11% of 430.50 times, now 11%, move that decimal 2 places and we get 0.11. So if we take 1 times 5, 1 times 0, 1 times 3, 1 times 4, put a 0 down there for the second row that we're doing. 1 times 5, 1 times 0, 1 times 3, 1 times 4. Good, and add it. We get a 5 there, we get a 5 there, we get a 3 there. 4 plus 3 is 7, and 4. And then 1, 2, 3 digits behind the decimal place. 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be 47.3. Oh, we're doing money. So that guy is going to make that a 6. 47.36 is the tax. Now the total price, notice that the tax is added on to that price. So we've got to take 430.5 plus 47.36. And then 0 plus 6 is 6, 5 plus 3 is 8, 0 plus 7 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 0 is 4, 477.86. Let me write that down. And then don't forget the dollar sign. There we go. So there's the tax. It was added on and we got the price. Good. Number 8. Price is $951, and then this is a percent off. So this 35% is going to be subtracted, not added. That's a good distinction. 951.00 times 0.35. Remember, move it 2 decimal places, 1, 2, to get it into a decimal so we can times it. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 2 is a 47. Put a 0 down for the second row. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1. That's now a 1. 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 1 is a 28. And we add those. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry the 1. 4 plus 8 plus 1, that's 13. Carry the 1. 3. And then 1, 2 decimal places behind. So 300, the amount saved is $332.85. Whew. Oh, that's a good savings right there. So now let's find out the final price by taking 951 minus 332.85. And right now you can see that those zeros are going to be very important in doing all the borrowing for the subtraction. So we've got the strongest on top. So 0 minus 5, it's too small, borrow from that, nope. 0 minus 8, too small, borrow from the 1, that's now a 0, that was a 10. Borrow that, it's now a 9, and that becomes a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1, 0 minus 2, too small, so we do that again. 10 minus 2 is 8, 4 minus 3 is 1, 9 minus 3 is 6. So the final price is $618.15. There we go. Number 9. Now we have the attempted shots, 150. Made was 137. So we have to do 137 out of 150. That's a division problem. Yeah, we're trying to find percent, so we won't be timesing, we'll be dividing. So 137 divided by 150. We can move the decimal 1 place and 1 place, so that's 15 into 13.7. All right, let's get maybe a decimal place or 2 beyond this. 15 goes into 13, no. Put a decimal place. 15 goes into 137. Wow, I think that's like 9 times. Let's try it. 9 times 5 is 5. We'll carry a 4. 9 times 1 plus 4 is 13. Yep, it's right there close. So we get that, and then subtracting, you get a 2. Let's put a 0. Let's put a couple of them there, see what we get. Bring that down. 15 goes into 20. Oh, that's nice. 1 times 15 is 15. Subtract, you get 5. bring down another 0. 15 goes into 50. Let me see, 15, 30, 45. So it looks like 3 times will give us 45, and we'll get a 5. So it keeps going like that. So if we move it 2 decimal places, we get 91.3 forever %. Or if you just round, you know it's going to be a 3, a 3, a 3. So if you ever stop and round, it will just be 91.3%. Either one of those answers would be perfectly fine. Good. Number 10. Find the following. Remember, this dot up off the bottom is times. So this is 7 times 6 is 42. And this is also multiplication minus 18. 42 minus 18 is a 24. Okay, number 11. 5 times t, we don't know what t is, but we know that 5 times 2 is 10, times 4 is 40, so 40 times t. That's as simple as it's going to get. Good, next one. 5 times, what's 3 minus 9? Do those parentheses first, that's a negative 6, so 5 times a negative 6 is a negative 30 minus 7 times 4 is 28. Negative 30 minus 28, that they're both negative, so they're adding in the negative direction. That's a 58, negative 58. Number 13. 25, and that's just multiplication of 9.2. I'm going to have to do that one longhand. I don't have that memorized. Certainly 2 times 5 is 0, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Put a 0, now we're doing the second column. 9 times 5 is 45. That's now a 4. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 4 is a 22. So 0, 0, carry a 1, 2, 3. 1 digit behind the decimal place, 1 digit behind the decimal place, right there. That's 230 is what we end up with. All right, and number 14. 2 times 3, that's a 6. 5 times 4, that's a 20. And 8 times m is 8m. So we write it just like that. It's 26 plus 8m, and you really can't make it any nicer than that. So there we go.